Hello, my name is Monica Vaca. I'm 31 years old. I'm group 135. I'm in the third period of psychology. I live in Bogota. I don't usually go out of my city for economy, for time, for work, or for anything else. But the last year visited the Pereira with my son. The weather is warm. We like it a lot, although only was 3 days. We went to park very quiet with the farm animals and a lake. It is a name is a pradera. We were there all day. First, we were in the pool. Then we feed some animals and we was a ride horse. At next day, we visited to some relatives of my husband who gave us a tour for city centers and surrounding. It is a beautiful city. When we were in the house, always we go in a pool. My son didn't want to go back to Bogota, but finally I managed to convincing him with the promise to return. Thanks.